Welcome to another lecture related to ransomware software. In this lecture, I will tell you how you can recover your decrypted file from the ransomware attack. As you know that ransomware attack are very normal these days, so you have to secure your data fully. You can upload on the Google Drive or you can log your drive as well. So the best method is to log your drive. Okay, like that you can put a lock on the bit locker on your drive as well. Just like that, put a locker on there on these, turn on bit locker on this drive. So this is the best method to say if ransomware has attacked your PC and you have no choice to recover your data and your files are encrypted. Just like you can see that .vvoa, you can see that in your case uh, the extension may be just like you in your case extension may be KKIA. So I will tell you in this method how to recover your all data from this attack, and you will see the file like that in your every folder, and they will ask you to pay a ransomware just like that for $90. So do not pay them, they will again cheat you. So they will provide an address as well and your okay, do not pay them. And so this is the best method you can, I will tell you the best method which you can use to recover your data. So complete watch this video. So let's start this. The first software is MMuz software. You can see that you can get from this link as well. So software name is MMuz, which you can use to decrypt your all encrypted data. So this is the best software tool which you can use. The second is Photorex software, which you can use as well. As you can see that Photorex software name is Photorex, which will decrypt your all data. Third is free malware remover. Okay, this is also a very best software which you can use. And another I miss is Shadow Explorer, is a software which you can also use to recover your data. So you can subscribe my channel and contact me on the email. I can help you to recover your data. So first you must subscribe our channel then come to inbox, we will help you. Okay, so first subscribe our channel and then contact us on the email. We will recover your data free. We will not charge you any penny, yeah, any rupee. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.